I got it. I know exactly what this shit's about.
Okay.
This is about the 7 deadly sins. What the fuck's up, y'all? PTB and Troop come back at you, giving their fucking dope ass reaction. And this is our final Nightwish video of the night. We already featured 5 other songs. If you haven't checked them out yet, man, I'm gonna put this on our playlist called Nightwish Marathon. So make sure you click the playlist and you'll see all of them in order. So
both our beautiful faces.
Before I get to our final request song, I have to make a couple shout outs.
Okay.
All right, so first shout out is going to go to Mr. SIP74, SYP74. So I said, after Nightwish Marathon is complete, or before on the last Nightwish video, I will tell the audience, you guys, the Empire, or the viewer, if you are first time watching here, I will tell you that SIP74 has gone out of his way to actually come check out my buddy Glenn Mitchell's radio station, Cranium Radio, which he runs it on Mondays and Wednesdays, I believe it is. So yes, if you're into industrial metal, you know, I mean, I haven't shown you industrial yet, have I? No. Mushroom Head. That's the only one I showed you. Yeah. If you're into industrial metal and checking out new artists, please go check out craniumradio.com. They're freaking awesome when it comes to that. They got Viking metal as well. I haven't introduced him to Viking metal yet. I'm not really a big fan of Viking metal, but go check out craniumradio.com, please. SIP74, thank you so much for checking out his channel. As you know, he's my very first patron, Glenn Mitchell. Yeah. So that meant a lot to me for him to check out Glenn Mitchell's radio station. Yeah. All right. So second thing I want to shout out. Let's get like 4 shout outs. Second thing I want to shout out is Isolated Antagonists. This hat that I'm wearing right here. Those 2 CDs in the back right there. These 2 right here at the far end on the right is a band that needs more exposure. So please go check them out. I'm going to be bringing them to the channel again. I've only reacted to one other song. And you know it, Nate Grodowski and Glenn Mitchell are the members of Isolated Antagonists. I am actually being asked to do a music video, do the video production for his music video for a new song. So, anyways, the last shout out, two more shout outs. Okay. FYM Reacts, obviously, I'm always gonna shout him out. He's one of my best friends.
Man, FYM Reacts, my man.
And finally, 2 podcasts that are being worked into right now. So number 1 is me and him. We're in the works of doing a podcast on whatever we think about. Like, I have no clue how to do a podcast, so I'm gonna have him choose the subjects. But I don't know if you want me to edit or you want to edit it. We'll figure all right, yeah. So we could probably edit it together. Yeah. But we're gonna be doing that. You know, I'll let you guys know in my community polls. Other than that, man, there's one other shout out. It's gonna be the Stiff Truth channel. I'm going to be doing a podcast tomorrow morning at, I believe, 7 or 8 o'clock in the morning. So make sure you check that out. That's going to be an hour and a half, 2 hours long podcast.
Hell of a podcast. They do great podcasts, by the way.
Have you checked them out yet?
You sent me the link. They do great podcasts.
Anyways, now I got all my shout outs. We're going to get to this last final Nightwish reaction, but this is not the last time we listen to Nightwish.
Of course.
Of course not.
Of course not.
But for tonight, it definitely is. This is a reaction to the music video of Noise by Nightwish. And this was premiered February 7th, 2020. This is with Floor Hansen as the lead singer, of course. This comes from the new album, Human Nature? Yeah, Human Nature. This is gonna be our first reaction to a music video from Nightwish. We've always reacted to live videos. So you want to get into anything before we get into this real quick?
I just want to say, you know, I'm happy to be here for the Nightwish Marathon. Thanks to my guy, Paul the Boss, for bringing me on. He didn't have to do it, but he did it anyway. And I'm glad to be part of the Empire. A small member of the Empire.
You ain't no fucking small member.
I'm glad to
you guys better go subscribe to his channel.
I'm glad to be. I'm just like a fly on the wall. I come in and I come out. Hey, this man is doing the damn thing. Go support him.
Oh, one more thing. Some chick on my comments said that I was cute.
Mm-hmm.
I'm already taken. I'm sorry. I got a girlfriend. I'm about to put a ring on her finger, so good luck to you in the future. Anyways, I'm going to get to my Patreon supporters. Alvin Holmstrom, Charles Murphy, Dennis Sledge, Dylan Castine, F1 Reacts, Glenn Mitchell, Mario Strand, TXM Gaming, and Yusef Salem. Without further ado, also in the future, we're going to be looking into a baby metal marathon too, as well. So, but that's after the Ginger. Speaking of
3,000.
Ginger Marathon, 3,000 subscribers. Ginger Marathon, same thing as tonight. Basically, it's just Ginger. And then the next one's going to be a baby metal at 4,000. Anyways, are you ready to fucking get at this shit or what?
Rock and roll.
Right.
Let's do it.
Let's get at it. I'd be really pissed if that didn't record.
Alright.
Got some pagan ritual going on here. There she is, man.
It's so weird seeing her.
I know,
like
it's so
video.
weird. Just like Marilyn Monroe there. With the haircut.
It's all black.
What the hell is this? They're on cell phones in the medieval times?
It's the medieval accelerator.
Oh, this is good. Who's that chick? Red Riding Hood, I'm guessing? Kind of shit going on?
Or is this like a
taking selfies? In the medieval times?
Okay. Like a Chronicles. Okay, no pollution.
That's two of us. Has to be. Who is that chick, though? She in the band?
I doubt it.
That's the bassist there.
So is this like a pharmaceutical company type deal?
Wait. I got it. I know exactly what this shit's about.
Okay.
This is about the 7 deadly sins. You got lust. Lust is basically, you know.
Yeah.
And then
gluttony.
Yeah, gluttony.
It's lust, gluttony.
Gluttony would be the guy with the pills.
Yeah.
And then this guy, what's this guy? Envy? No, envy would be the one with the mirrors.
Pride.
And then pride.
Lust, envy, pride, gluttony.
Jealous. No. Wait. 7 deadly sins. Let's look them up. The anime is going to pop up. I already know it is. Oh, shit. Shit.
We just bleeped that out.
Yeah. What the fuck, man? You look it up on yours.
All right, so the 7 deadly sins are
Definitely gonna edit that anime shit out. No one wants to listen to that Japanese anime shit, right?
So the 7 deadly sins are
Let's get it at it.
pride,
Pride.
envy, gluttony, lust, anger, greed, and sloth.
All right,
Slothfulness.
cool. I haven't seen
Slothfulness.
Sloth yet. All right, so let's get back at it. Greed will be the king, I'll probably think.
I think
All right.
so too. So the kid grew up.
There's envy.
I think she might be lust.
Who? Floor? Or no, the chick?
Yeah.
That's envy. That definitely has to be envy right there.
Or maybe pride.
Pride or envy? That's sloth.
Yes.
Too fixated on your damn cell phone. That's the drummer. Oh! I think this might be one of the heaviest riffs I heard from Nightwish. Gluttony. Definitely envy. Or no, lust. Man, that looks like it hurts. That's pride right there. The king. I don't know what the hell that would be.
Anger, maybe?
I don't think that's one of them. Is it?
Yeah, that's one of them.
Maybe. They're too busy living in their own little worlds to see the world around them. Wow, dude. So the video was more interesting than the song was. Like, I like the video more, to be honest, because like the video had a lot going on in it.
Because like you said, like they're too fixated on what they got going on.
I think this right here is leading around like how we're corrupting our children with cell phones and media and shit like that, and all that stuff.
Yeah, most definitely.
And making them grow up in an AI world, if you will. You know, because I remember when I was a kid, I didn't have a cell phone. I didn't have the internet. You know, I didn't start getting to the internet until I was in 8th grade, maybe. But whenever I was like a little kid, I would always go outside and play.
Yeah,
and
like normal kids.
Yeah.
Yeah, like normal kids.
I love the video, dude. The video was fucking awesome. The song was awesome, but honestly, I wasn't really paying too much attention to the song because I was more fixated on the video.
Trying to figure out like what exactly
what's going on.
Yeah, what message trying to get betrayed. But yeah, you're right. It's just all about us being just stuck. So I think that's like that was the whole point of them with the cell phones, because they just mindlessly scrolling through like zombies. Just mindlessly scrolling through.
Yeah, they don't notice the corruption going on. It's kind of what we got going on with the coronavirus right now. So
we got murder bees now.
We got murder bees.
Yeah,
Since when?
Like yesterday. Yeah, murder.
Plague's coming, huh?
Yeah.
Damn. All right, so guys, looks like it's almost the end of the world. Alright, so anyways, we're gonna get out of here. It has been a pleasure giving you guys a Nightwish marathon. Really hope that you will see us at the next Nightwish reaction. Don't forget to click that like button and the subscribe button if you enjoy our content. We do this almost every single Sunday. This is basically a regular occurrence. So if you guys want to see us react to something, anything, put it down, man. Put it down. We really loved all 6 of these. I thought all 6 were amazing. My favorite tonight was definitely the Poet and the Pendulum. Definitely the Poet and the Pendulum. But anyways, another quick shout out to my boy Sip74. Really appreciate what you did, bro. Coming to Cranium Radio and checking it out. You guys need to keep an eye on my community posts, because if you don't keep an eye on my community posts, you won't get these cool ass shout outs that I give people that you know, do selfless acts, basically.
Pretty much.
You know, supporting my friends is like supporting me. So go subscribe to his channel. We're gonna be doing a podcast soon. We hope you guys enjoyed everything tonight. We got to get to 2 more, and then that's it. A birthday request and cover. All right, so I guess that's it, man. We'll see you guys next time, Empire. Peace. That's the drummer. Oh! I think this might be one of the heaviest riffs I heard from Nightwish.